You might think you've seen compact cameras before. Small bodies, good image quality, easy to carry around. But what if I told you that Sony has just taken the idea of a compact full-frame camera and pushed it to the extreme once again? The Sony RX1R III is here, and it's not just another upgrade. It's a statement from Sony that power doesn't have to come in a large body. It's the kind of camera that makes you stop and think, do you even need a big DSLR or mirrorless when something this small can deliver so much? This is Tap Tech, and today we're diving deep into the Sony RX1R III. By the end of this review, you'll know whether this little beast deserves a spot in your bag. Let's start with the basics. The RX1R III is the latest entry in Sony's legendary line of compact full-frame cameras. From the outside, it might look familiar, but Sony has re-engineered it in almost every way. It's still small, still sleek, still pocketable in a coat pocket, but what's inside is where the real story begins. Sony has equipped the RX1R III with a brand new full-frame sensor. It's a 61-megapixel sensor, the same kind of power you'd expect from Sony's flagship mirrorless bodies. That means you're getting stunning detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance in a camera that can literally fit in your hand. For street photographers, travelers, or even professionals looking for a backup powerhouse, this is an insane level of performance. And the lens? It's still one of the best fixed lenses ever made. A 35mm f/2 Zeiss Sonner, tuned perfectly for this body. Sharp, creamy bokeh, beautiful rendering, it's the kind of lens that makes images feel alive. Sony didn't mess with success here. They just made it work better with the new sensor, delivering sharpness from edge to edge that's honestly hard to believe. But power is nothing without speed. That's where the RX1R III surprises even more. The new Bion's XR processor makes this camera fly. Autofocus is faster, tracking is smarter, and you're getting subject recognition powered by AI. Human eye tracking, animal tracking, even bird eye detection, it's all here. And it works brilliantly. Imagine a compact camera that locks onto an eagle's eye mid-flight. That's what we're talking about. Now let's talk video. Yes, the RX1R III is still mainly a photography-first camera. But Sony knows video is important too. That's why they've added 8K video recording with 10-bit color. That's right, you can shoot cinema-level footage with a camera that weighs under 500 grams. For vloggers, filmmakers, or anyone who wants a stealthy camera with pro-level video, this is a game-changer. The build quality is another area where Sony didn't cut corners. Magnesium alloy body, weather sealing, solid dials, and a new tilting touchscreen. Yes, finally a touchscreen that works the way it should, with intuitive menus and easy touch to focus. The EVF is improved too, with a higher resolution and faster refresh rate. Looking through it feels more natural, more immersive, like you're peering into the real world rather than a digital display. One of the strongest hooks here is portability. Think about it. You're carrying a camera that gives you full-frame quality, pro-level autofocus, 8K video, and world-class lens performance, and it's small enough to go anywhere. No huge bags. No heavy bodies. Just slip it in your pocket, and you're ready to capture anything at any moment. That's not just convenient, it changes the way you think about photography. Battery life has always been a weak spot in compact cameras, but Sony addressed it this time. The RX1R III uses a bigger battery, offering up to twice the life of its predecessor. Plus, USB-C charging makes it easy to top up on the go. Carry a power bank, and you're never out of juice. Let's be real though. This camera isn't for everyone. It's expensive. Sony is charging a premium because this is not a camera that tries to compete with entry-level models. It's aimed at enthusiasts, pros, and collectors who want the absolute best in a compact body. But for those who understand what it offers, the price suddenly feels justified. Because there is nothing else like it. You can buy a bigger camera with interchangeable lenses, sure. But will it give you this level of performance in a body this small? No. Will it make you want to shoot more, just because of how easy it is to carry? Yes. And sometimes, that's what makes the difference between capturing the shot or missing it. The RX1R III also connects better than ever. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 are built in, so transferring photos and videos to your phone is fast and seamless. Sony's app integration is much smoother now, letting you control the camera remotely or share your work instantly on social platforms. In today's world, that connectivity is not just a feature, it's a necessity. Here's another thing worth mentioning. The RX1R III is a creative tool. The sensor's dynamic range lets you push shadows, recover highlights, and color grade in ways that feel almost limitless. Photographers who love editing will appreciate how much flexibility these files give. For video creators, S-Log3 and HDR recording options mean your footage is ready for serious post-production. So let's bring it all together. The Sony RX1R III is not just another compact camera. It's a reminder of why people fall in love with photography. It's about having incredible power at your fingertips, without the weight that usually comes with it. It's about capturing the world as you see it, in stunning detail, wherever you are. If you're a professional looking for a portable powerhouse, this is it. If you're a traveler who doesn't want to carry bulky gear but still wants full-frame quality, this is it. If you're an enthusiast who just loves the art of photography and wants the best tool to enjoy it, this is it. The RX1R III is bold, ambitious, and truly one of a kind. Sony didn't just improve the line, they redefined what a compact camera can be. And that's why this little camera might just be one of the most important releases of the year. This has been Tap Tech. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe for more authentic and detailed takes on the latest tech. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep pushing your limits.